He's an actor, a YouTuber, and he has been making waves on social media. Let's meet King Taj in our Up Next segment.
Up Next is brought to you by Magnum Tonic Wine.
You heal what you for and you shake. No for them fake. My dog, them are there.
Charisma and probably how I express myself, you know, because whenever I get a role to play, you know, focus on that role, try to be that role and just express it as best as possible. So all started off when I was around, let's say 14, 15, we came up and said we're going to do a video, and we did the video, and the first video that we did together, it came on television, national TV, and you know, the feedback that I got, continue doing it, and I started studying like film techniques. I don't really watch a lot of movies because I try to keep my thing original, so I don't like to watch other people's stuff because I may, in my thinking or while I'm trying to create, I might be inspired, and I don't want to be inspired that much, but I try to keep it original.
Whole world for know you, brother. That me. Whole world for know you, brother.
That's how it started. We just started doing videos, build up a crowd, got my friends to share, my family, people in the community. I do different type of videos, and you know, some videos people might laugh, some videos people don't laugh, because I try to express myself or express a certain matter that is going on right now in today's world, or advocate for something good. That is what I do. So the feedback can range. So you have people who like my videos and you have people who don't like my videos. I get my ideas from real life experiences. Most of the videos are factual. It's just that we might put a twist on it or so, you know, but most of my ideas are from real life experiences.
Hello? Yes.
We have a movement called Kingdom, which the Kingdom is spelled K-Y-N-G-D-O-M. So the king in King Taj is spelled different from a regular king. It is spelled with a Y, so you replace the I with a Y. So, you know, I feel like a king, so I just name myself King Taj and just use my talent and show it to the world. Make sure you are pre-dish. This is the pre-dish show, and this is
Kingdom.
You hear that? Because I've been doing videos, different types of videos, I've been getting a lot of exposure and networking with a lot of people. So, you know, you probably see me in a couple movies in the future, or hosting a TV show, or having my own studio like a Hollywood, because that's the aim. I plan to do some studying, and can I be frank with you that I applied for the Endamani College and I was not accepted. You understand? And that kind of gave me the drive to pursue my career on my own and with my friends. You understand? But eventually, in the future, I like to learn. I like to read also. Best day ever on YouTube and my channel. The Busy Signal. I was featured in a Busy Signal video, Them Fake, produced by Jugglers. I was a lead actor in Bugle Unstable. I was a lead actor in Bugle Unstable, so. And Devin the Doctor.
The man a come, my girl. The man a come.
What you mean?
You get him more fat. Tell you, boy, I got to go. No, but be ugly.
You buy the some of them when I tell you buy?
Why there's something there?
Want some of it, even hungry.
Listen. It's an emergency.
I'm hungry.
Come, baby, know you're
Every
going.
time you go up on the road and come back, you don't bring nothing for me to eat. I'm hungry.
When we done, yo, come, man, I see you're a spot.
I'm hungry.
Up Next is brought to you by Magnum Tonic Wine.
The Dumpling Remix video has arrived, courtesy of Styler G, Sean Paul, and Spice. Pre this.
change at the money me a on. First class up front, it a left a gal a grunt. Me bank account fatter than my front.
We out and bad, stunting. Them gala say we sweet like pumpkin. True, we Kyle them tick like dumpling. Kyle them tick like dumpling.
Spice talks about career longevity and more after the break.
We a top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we a shell down bars. Blast like a star with some at Galapagos. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We a hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we a prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we a headline. We back, we talk, we own waistline. Cut the cock, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know how we be Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. Now we turn up in a sack. Take charge, take
charge.
Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them. Take charge, take charge.